Hello everyone and welcome to Algebra 2. My name is Ms. Cosley and I will be your teacher for this course. I'm really looking forward to a great school year and I know it's going to be a crazy semester, but bear with me and I know we'll have a great time. This is my 7th year teaching and my 4th year overall here at Belvedere North. This year I am teaching Extended Algebra 1 Part A and also Accelerated Algebra 2. A couple facts that you need in order to be successful here in this course. There will be a class calendar that's linked through our syllabus, and I also just send you a link. But on that class calendar, there are links to different resources, and it's also just a general overview of what we'll be doing each day. It's a great place to come back to and check so that you know that you're doing the right material. And it also will just help you keep on pace so you're not falling behind. Another piece of information that's really important is communication. Since I won't be seeing you daily in person, it's very important that you are communicating with me. If you're not understanding a concept, if you happen to be gone for a day, so please communicate as best as you can through email. We can video chat, but it will help you be very successful in this course. I'm really looking forward to a great year. Reminder that we're all in this together and it may not go perfect, but we will try our best. And I look forward to meeting all of you later this year.